Good evening, dear friends. Today I will discuss how to convert the reference and inline citations from APA style to IEEE style. However, using this method, you can convert this reference in any style to any style. For that, the requirement is Zotero. Zotero is not only one software that you can utilize. There are another equivalent software that you can also use, like Mendeley. However, this demo is based on the Zotero. I am using Zotero, so I will discuss Zotero to convert the reference from API style to IEEE style, or any style to any style. So what is your first task? Your first task is to download the Zotero. If you can see here, Zotero download is available. Go to the download page and download the Zotero. Once you will download the Zotero, you have to run the Zotero. And at the time of running the Zotero, you just close your Word application, Microsoft Word, or any application of Microsoft, you just close down. Better to close everything at the time of installation of the Zotero. So after installing Zotero, two more things we have to do. One is you have to install the Edge connector, because I am using this Microsoft Edge, so it is showing Edge connector. If you will use Google Chrome, so it will show Chrome connector. So there is no problem. You can use a Microsoft Edge, you can use Microsoft Google Chrome, whatever is the browser. In both the browser, you can install the Zotero plugin. That is important. You have to install Zotero plugins here. And after that, you have to ensure that this Zotero plugin is in your Word file. So for example, here you can see Zotero is installed and available in my Microsoft Word. Therefore, I can use Zotero for my purpose. Now, if you have used Zotero for inline citation and reference, then it is one click only to convert the reference from one style to another style. Here you can see that in my document, the style is APA style. This inline citation is in APA style, and manually entered, I have entered manually this APA style, and at the end you can find reference. This reference are also in APA style and manually entered. Now our task is to convert this reference as well as inline citations into IEEE style. Once you will understand how to convert the APA to IEEE, you can use this same method to convert any type of reference in any other type of references. So let's start. Nowadays we will use the LLM to speed up our task. So what I will do, I will copy all these reference. If you have 3-page, 4-page references, so what I will suggest, break the references, take only 1 or 2 page for conversion purpose in LLM. Otherwise context issue will come. So repeat that thing 2 or 3 times. If you have 3-page, 4-page references, so 2-page, use 2-page to convert the reference into BibTeX. So what I will do, what I did here, I copied all the references and pasted here in GPT. You can see here, and at the end I asked the GPT to convert the reference in BibText. So this is important. We will convert the reference into BibText format, and GPT converted. So here is the bib text format. Now if you will install the Zotero, so it will look like that. All these directory will not be available in first time. I have created all these directory, and you will also create once you will start using the Zotero. After installation of Zotero, it is better or recommended to log in Zotero online. That is recommended, and that is in fact important. So you register the Zotero as well. Now once Zotero is open, so I hope that everyone can install Zotero. Installing the software in Windows is not a challenging task. Even in Mac you can install, Linux you can install. After installation, you have to create one folder. That is also recommended for better management. For example, here I have different uh, folders for my different research paper, and you can also create folder based on your requirement. So just click here. You can see here, click here in the left upper corner folder icon and write a folder name. For example, here I am writing um, demo. Demo reference. I created the folder. Now folder is available. What next I will do, I will go to the LLM, that is ChatGPT, and copy the code. So here copy the code, otherwise select and copy. So you have to copy the big text format that you have created using the LLM. Once you copy the format, go to the Zotero. Here there are different options for import. We will use, because we have just copied and I do not want to paste somewhere then import. So what I will do, I will select the option import from clipboard. So just after copying, the copied text are available on clipboard. If you will click on import from clipboard, all the reference will come. You can see here the references came here with proper identification. So item type is journal, title is detected, author, everything is properly detected. If suppose there is some mistake in these format, you can correct. For example, if one author is not there, you can just add. What I will suggest, explore the Zotero and try to know more feature about the Zotero. So you can correct here also. So most of the time there is no need to correct the automatic detected format in Zotero. It is automatically detect the format, whether it is web text, or if you will import the file, or if you will collect the file through web browser. So here we have all the uh, references that I have used in my paper in Zotero. Now what next we will do, I will come back to my paper and start one by one. Each and every inline citation I have to change. Change means I have to create these inline citation using Zotero. At present it is manual. This is the task in fact that we have to do. For example, here decentralized finance 2023. I want this area ETAL 2023. This also I have to convert. Everything I have to convert. So let me demonstrate this like Singha 2024, anything. Take Besan. What we will do, we will place the cursor where we want to insert the inline citation. So I have placed the cursor here because I want to insert inline citation. Already manual citation is here, and now I will insert the citation using Zotero. So what I will do, after placing the cursor, go to the add edit captions. Sorry, citation. Add edit citation. Here you will find the window from where you can search the citation. So for example, Basan, so we will write BASAN and automatically it came here. So if you will write the few letters, you will find the recommendation to select the paper that you have in your Zotero software. So just select this and press enter. And here is the uh, inline citation through Zotero. What is the difference? How you will recognize that this citation is through Zotero and this citation is manual? It is very simple. If you will place the cursor on citation, it will not automatically selected. But if it is uh, created by Zotero, automatically whole inline citation will be selected. For example, you can see here it is not selected. In this way, we will convert all the citations. And suppose if there are more than one citation, are there. For example, here it is already completed through Zotero. That's why it is automatically selected. Just only click. But again, I am creating the same here. Add edit citation. Then what is the first citation? MANEKAR. So I found here is the citation. So let's suppose this is the citation I selected, and next citation is sing, SINGH, sing. So next citation also came selected, and then press enter, it came automatically here. What is the another method to do the same thing? Add edit citation and then go to the classical mode. If you will click here, Z, there is a small arrow icon. If you will click on that arrow icon, you will find classic view. Select the classic view, and what you will find, all the paper that is available in Zotero. So from here also you can select. For example, I selected this, I have to add this paper, I selected this paper. And if you want multiple source, then you have to select multiple source. And then I want to select another paper, select the another paper, transfer it here. Select the third paper, transfer it here. And once you have selected all your references, press OK, and you can find that here all the references came. That is inline citation. All the inline citation came. One thing. So we come to know that how to create the one more thing I will discuss here. We have sometime we are using citation in this format according to area ETL. So in that case also you can use inline citation and make modification, but that is not recommended. For example, here in place of area ETL, just place here citation, add citation, and press enter. Now this area ETL is through Zotero and this is manual. So here I will make a small changes and remove the bracket from here and delete this area ETL. That is my manual. So that is also fine. My manual is manuals. This is the manual citation I deleted, and this is the citation through Zotero. In this way also you can arrange the citation, but this is not a recommended format. Why this is not recommended format? Because at the time of changing the format, this will become number. So what is recommendation to all the author? Always use citation at the end of sentence in this format. If you have written citation according to area ETL, so don't convert this into Zotero citation. Let it be your manual itself. What I will recommend, at the end place the Zotero citation. This is the best way. This is not the best way to write the citation when you are using software, because our intention is not only to provide the citation but also in future, as per the recommendation, we should be able to convert the citation from one format to another format. So these things are, I hope that this is very much clear. Now suppose some citation, uh, we have inline citation but in the reference that is not there, or in other way, if we are finding citation for any text or any paragraph online, how we will insert the citation here in our text. So suppose take an example, uh, for Web3 is also expected to change the business organization, as data an essential asset to any organization will be made more open in terms of access. Emerging blockchain driven technology will create the new type of business such as data cooperative or decentralized autonomous organizations. So either based on your paragraph, select the proper keyword or select the full paragraph, Control C, and go to the browser and Google Scholar, but you can go to the Scopus also based on the requirement. Here I am using Google Scholar. Google Scholar, and here we will search the page, the paragraph search. Your search. Our main purpose is to show how to insert the references from online, from browser. So here I found some paper. Suppose for that paragraph, this is the paper I should refer, or inline citation, I can refer this paper for that paragraph. Or you have already some research paper that you want to reference, or that you want to means write as a review of literature in your research paper. In that case, what we will do, we will create the we will import the reference from Google citation or from web pages. So exactly what you have to do, you have to click that reference. Now this paper is, here is the paper, and I think this is not in the exact format, so let me select some other paper. This is the paper. As in the beginning I told that you have to connect the Zotero connector in your web browser. So I have this Zotero connector here, you can see here. This Zotero connector is here. If Zotero connector is not visible even after installation, you just click the extension and you will find the Zotero connector, or go to the manage extension. Here you will find the Zotero connector. For example, here is the Zotero connector, you just activate. So sometime it is deactivated, you activate. If it is already activated or not showing here, so pin the connector. That is better. Go to here and then here Zotero connector is pin. If I will unpin, then it is not available here on this browser address bar. If I will pin here, it is available here. So better you pin the Zotero connector in your browser. So now it is available in Microsoft Edge. In your case, if you are using Google Chrome, it will be available in Google Chrome in this manner itself. Here is my paper. Just I have to click this one. One more thing is important. You have to ensure that your Zotero application is running. Don't close your Zotero application and click here. What will happen once you will click? It will automatically capture all the reference requirement of this paper. So let me click here. And it is available. It will be available. For example, let me see same things came or not. Refresh. So now it is capturing the related information from this web page automatically. It is captured and available here. Available with all the reference title. What is the title? Author is missing. It is not very frequent. If author is missing, some case it might be possible. You go and check what is the author name and insert manually. For example, here is the author name. So I am inserting manually here. Control V, last name, first name. So I inserted. If you want to add other thing, you can add. For example, date is important, so I will find the date also. So I will add the date. You add the date in proper format. Here I did the date, and now this is ready. And suppose if I want to insert this inline citation in our paper, just I will go here at the end, place the cursor, and then go to the add citation. The last citation will automatically appear. So last citation, that the last paper that we have inserted in Zotero is available here. If even if it is not available, you just write the initials in terms of author name, title of the paper, and you will find. So here I am selecting this and just press enter. Now this reference is available. In this way, we have to write all the inline citations. So Zotero is powerful. It is automatically capture all the paper if it is open source, as well as their references automatically. That is one of the very powerful feature of Zotero and equivalent software in this family like Mendeley. If you will drag and drop the paper in Zotero, for example, if I have PDF paper, what I have to do, just drag and drop here, and you will find the all these references is available. You try by yourself, and after that you can use that paper in your use that research paper in your research paper as a reference. Now once we completed this task, where we have added all the inline citations in our research paper. And one more thing that is important, that I feel means easy and comfortable. I am comfortable with whenever I am inserting inline citation. At that time I am using APA format only. So when you will use first time this Zotero, at that time when you will go to the add edit citation, you will find this window. This window will appear. In this window, always I recommend first at the time of writing citation and everything, you select APA style and press OK. So now everything will be in APA style. Once you complete this task, for example, if I have completed all the citation one by one through Zotero, at the end what I have to do, I have to click on add edit bibliography. So at the end, of course, bibliography should be at the end. So I will go at the end. Here I will write reference and enter. This is my manual reference. Here I will insert the reference using the Zotero. Just click add enter bibliography. Let me make some visible change. Here click the where you want to start, from where you want to start, just place cursor there and press add it bibliography, and bibliography is added and in a proper format. So we need not to bother about what should be the format of APA style. It is as per the APA style. Properly formatted bibliography is available. Now I want to change. It into IEEE style. Very simple. Go back, select the IEEE style and press OK. Now it is converted to IEEE style. Not only here, but all inline citation is also converted in IEEE style. You can see here 1, 2. So that we have converted. So all these are converted, 4, 5. So very easy. In one click we converted. There are many other reference type. If you, for example, if you will use the Chicago, so it will convert the research paper in Chicago reference type also. Many time legal research paper require this type of citation, so it is also converted in this way, page wise citation. So very good, we have did our task, and I'm going to upload this video in YouTube. If you have any question, you can write there in comment. I will try to answer, or if I have missed anything, I will try to re-record the video and include the missing thing. So thank you very much.